Coach, 4-0 victory. How are you feeling first of all about that?
Feeling very elated. We put in a lot of work over the preseason and, we saw it come out today, but I think it could have been much better, the performance. Nonetheless, give thanks for the 3 points.
Casey they got a red card. Are you disappointed that you didn't really capitalize on that red card?
Yeah, with 10 men, there are a lot more spaces on the field, so which is why I'm saying I'm disappointed with the performance. It could have been a lot more, created a lot of chances. So that part I'm disappointed with. Nonetheless, it's a good start to the season, 4-goal cushion, and a clean sheet as well. So I have to give thanks for that.
Tell us some of the positives you saw from the team today.
In terms of the positives, we were very dangerous, especially on the flanks. I think going forward, the transition, we were very quick in the offensive transition. So those are some of the positives I saw today. But nonetheless, it could have been much better, I think, based off our standards. You can expect good football, attractive, attacking football. That's what you can expect from us. Yeah, definitely.